Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, click onto menu, you've got Ford Eco mode, then sync settings. So if we click down to sync settings, click OK, Bluetooth on. So if you can't get a Bluetooth signal, just make sure there's a tick there. If there's no tick for any reason, like so, highlight Bluetooth and tick. Click down to Bluetooth devices, and you see there's an arrow at either side. So click the arrow to the right. It's showing Barry's iPhone and Samsung Galaxy. So Barry's iPhone we want to delete. Delete is the second one in along the bottom. There's add, delete and connect. So add, that's delete, and that's connect. So we click delete. It's defaulted to the yes no position, and that was yes. Barry's iPhone deleted. We'll just delete the other one while we're at it. So Samsung Galaxy, add and delete. Delete. Yes is over there. No, if you've made a mistake, is there. So yes. That's it gone.